Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Corolla, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those, and if you need to find where the central locking fuses are located, stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you can, and you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So the central locking fuses, if the central locking does not work, always check these fuses first. We'll demonstrate on that generation Toyota Corolla guys. You have multiple fuse boxes, today will work in just one, and that fuse box is on the driver's side. Open the driver door. Once you do that guys, if you come under the dash on the left side, look upside down, all the way on the bottom of the dash, you will find a white cover. Once you pull that knob out, okay, underneath you'll find the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one here. Now, before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. For the central locking specifically guys, we're going to need to test to check actually two different fuses guys. Now you may have both, you may have one, but which one you need to check? By the way, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Toyota Corolla or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste money and time. This row on the bottom, that's fuse number 1 through 16, so you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That fuse number 5 is the first one that you need to check. Then you need to check 6, 7, 8, 9. Fuse number 9, 5 and 9. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.